everyone, it is Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. So I'm very excited about today. I have some really good paints here that I've mixed up with the Floetrol. Two parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and I did put a little bit of water in there, maybe 20% water in there, just to give it a bit of more of a flow. And there's Artist Loft in here, Liquitex, and Artist Loft. And the white is just the plain Artist Loft white. So today I am going to do a Dutch pour. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to do it for my mom. I asked my mom, what's your favorite color? She said pink and purple. I said, perfect. I am going to do this for you. I didn't let her know that I have only done something like this once before, and we're just going to do it this time, and I hope it just turns out beautiful for her. Alright, so I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here, and we're going to start, paint. Because I'm going to blow it this way. Okay. So I'm just going to let that sit. So, I'm going to put this dioxazine purple in from Liquitex Basics. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the, well, it's a magenta and it's a very long name, and shame on me for not finding out how to pronounce it before I did this video. But it is beautiful. I absolutely love it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of this phthalo green in the middle here, just to give it a little bit of a green, and then and then I am going to put the copper in. Alright. So, I wonder if I should do just a little more paint. No, not gonna. Alright, so now I'm just gonna pour the white around it. And I did flood this before I started this whole process, just so you know. I forgot to mention that. Okay, so here we go. Now I've tried it on low, and I'm going to try once more, but it doesn't seem to work well on low. Yeah, barely lifts the paint. So I'm going to try it on high bit of something over here. Okay, so that worked out. The high is better. Just gonna turn it this way now when I do the blowout. Actually, I think I'm gonna torch it. Make sure there's no bubbles. Probably should have done that first. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the blowout. And I'm going to stop it right there. So I don't know, what do you think, guys? Oh, it just sparkles and shines. Let's see what happens when I torch it. Oh, now I didn't put any silicone in here. I have never put silicone in any of my paintings before, and I still seem to get cells, which is really kind of cool. Alright, so now I'm just going to take some of this and just kind of blow it off the edges. You know what? I'm going to get a straw. I've heard mixed reviews about straws, but I like them so far, so. Okay. Actually, I think I like that. I don't think I'm going to touch. I think I'm going to leave it at that, actually. So I'm just going to go around. Whoops. Gotta watch where this paint comes down. Just touch up the sides here. Sorry about that. So there it is, my picture for my mom. I see a lot of purple. I do see a little pink, but I hope she loves it. Thank you for watching. I know there's another video coming up. My daughter Jordan is going to do something super fantastic. So look out for that. That's going to be coming up next. And have a great day or evening. We will see you soon. Bye.